Hi, Dr. Pepping with DuPage Healthcare, and today I wanted to introduce you to Rocky. Anybody who's had children get treated here at DuPage Healthcare knows exactly who Rocky is. Rocky helps me to explain to kids and adults what is that popping noise when you're getting adjusted. So when you get adjusted and you hear this noise, all it is the gas that gets trapped within those joints. It is not the bones moving on the bones. Many times when you are doing your warm-ups prior to your adjustment, or if you had a massage before your adjustment, that gas can get released and it will rebuild every 20 minutes. So that's all it is. The term is cavitation. When you're getting adjusted, you may hear it and you may not hear it. I hope this clears up that question. What is that noise?